From this lesson onwards, the students will begin coding programs for their drones. The immediate distinction between coding an avatar and a drone is that drones are subjected to the influences of the environment. Coding for drones requires much more proficiency and requires much more detailed instructions. Take, for example, an avatar on the screen can walk in a straight path with a simple command. A drone, on the other hand, has to be calibrated, traced, and its positions compared from time to time, and this requires constant correction of its path and more complex levels of logical thinking and reasoning. By the end of this lesson, the student should be able to acknowledge the challenges faced with programming drones and some of its key techniques to take on more challenging tasks.